Welcome. So what we have now is y equals 12x squared minus 48. And I told you when we have an equation that's not in this form, but when in ax plus c form, we always want to look for the difference of two squares. But to look for the difference of two squares, this factor has to be equal. This has to be a square number. And my a, if I do have an a, has to be a square number as well. So this right now is not a difference of two squares. However, I do notice that I have a common factor that I can factor out. So let's go ahead and do that. So if I factor out a common factor, which the common factor would be 12, I'm left with x squared minus 4. Now I notice that, well, here, this is a difference of two squares. And the 12 is not going to matter. So since we're solving, let's set this equal to 0. I can divide out that 12. So 0 equals x squared minus 4. And if you remember our pattern for difference of two squares, the reason why I like difference of two squares is because rather than having to go through the box or the diamond or the x method or factoring all this different way, we can just simply know that our solution is going to be x minus 2 times x plus 2. And we can just always double check that in our head. X times x is x squared. Negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. Negative 2x plus positive 2x gives us 0, which is our case. There's no b in this case. So therefore, now I can apply the zero product property. So I set both equal to 0. Use my inverse operations, and x equals 2, and x equals negative 2. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Those are your solutions. Thanks.